For freight fleets, engineering vehicles, and emergency communication users who rely on in-vehicle radio communication, an antenna that can stably receive VHF signals, is easy to install, and is durable is key to ensuring daily communications. Today, we're introducing the Shengda MC101 VHF vehicle-mounted steel-braided antenna, which is specifically designed to meet these needs, balancing signal stability with adaptability to various scenarios. This antenna uses a flexible stainless steel strip as its main body. At 1,420 in length, it ensures a good signal range and provides flexibility. The surface has multiple anti-corrosion coatings, making it rust-resistant even after long use. It comes with a quick mount base. No need for complicated drilling on the vehicle. It can be directly adapted to sedans or to the roof or body brackets of trucks and engineering vehicles. Easy to install. It uses the industry standard PL259 connector. It can be directly connected to the signal interface of most vehicle-mounted radios and walkie-talkies. Shengda has been deeply involved in the field of vehicle communication antennas for 20 years. From the early days of civilian vehicle antennas to today's industrial-grade steel-braided vehicle antennas, we have always focused on solving our customers' real-world problems. To address the cross-regional communication needs of freight fleets, our technical team offers free signal coverage consultation and assists with adjusting antenna installation angles. For the unique installation scenarios of engineering vehicles, we support customized base specifications to ensure compatibility. Even OEM customers making bulk purchases can enjoy dedicated full-process services, from parameter confirmation and sample testing to mass delivery. If your fleet or engineering team needs a durable and easy-to-install VHF vehicle antenna, the MC101 is a cost-effective choice. You can now apply for a free sample to test the signal performance and download the installation manual and vehicle compatibility chart from our official website. Bulk purchases enjoy tiered discounts. Leave a comment with your vehicle model and usage scenario to receive personalized installation advice, making your communications even more efficient.